You're going to start by choosing a thread color that is contrasting to your fabric. You do not want your basting stitch to be sewn with a thread that matches your fabric because you want to be able to easily remove it. It's intended to be a temporary stitch. So I am using this bright red coral color for my top thread here. And then I chose to use this blue thread. You don't need to use different thread colors, but I chose this blue thread for my bobbin thread. So it will stand out really nicely from my fabric, making it really easy to remove this stitch once my project is finished. Next, for your sewing machine settings, you will be using a straight stitch. And if your machine does not have a specific basting stitch setting, go ahead and just set this to the longest stitch length, which will usually be 5 millimeters. Then, without back stitching, go ahead and just sew your basting stitch. It's that simple. Just sew these straight stitches wherever the pattern calls for to help keep it together, or maybe you're doing some gathers. And once you are at the bottom of the stitch, the end of the stitch, do not back stitch there either. And this is what your finished basting stitch should look like. A nice long straight stitch with no front or ending back stitching. You'll see it looks just the same on the bobbin side. When you are finished with your basting stitches and you are ready to remove them, just grab your seam ripper and tear through one of your upper thread loops and pull out enough of the thread just so that you get a little tail. And you can just go ahead and grab this top thread and pull it right out. It's that simple. And then you will be finished with your basting stitches. If you would like to learn more about how to use basting stitches in your sewing projects, check out our blog posts linked up in the video description below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our future videos.